up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. आज का वीडियो होने वाला है विंटर क्लोथिंग ट्राई ऑन हॉल. आई एम गोइंग ऑन अ वेकेशन सुपर सून और वहाँ पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठंड होने वाली है. आई एम नॉट गोना टेल यू गाइज द लोकेशन बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू गेस करो कि मैं कहाँ जाने वाली हूँ. एंड मैं मुंबई में रहती हूँ, वैसे कपड़े मेरे पास तो है नहीं. सो आई डेफिनेटली वॉन्टेड टू शॉप और काफ़ी ज़्यादा शॉपिंग कर लिए, काफ़ी ज़्यादा खर्चा हो गया. आई थिंक वेकेशन के खर्चे से ज़्यादा तो मैंने कपड़े शॉपिंग कर लिए हैं. बट आई थिंक इट्स गोना हेल्प मी राइट. आगे जाके मैं कहीं जाऊँगी तो आई वुड हैव क्लोथिंग पीसेस. यही मैंने बोल के खुद को मनाया है. बट एनी विच वेज, इफ यू गाइज लिव इन अ कोल्डर क्लाइमेट या फिर आपका भी कोई वेकेशन आने वाला है सुपर सून, सो होपफुली ये वीडियो आपको हेल्प करे. और इफ यू लाइक एनी ऑफ द पीसेज यू कैन डेफिनेटली शॉप इट. सो या विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Started with the shopping haul, I just want to address my hair situation because I know आप लोग questions पूछने वाले हो. I have straightened my hair. This is not permanent. This is temporary. साल में एक दो बार मुझे straightening करना पसंद है just for a change. Let me know which hairstyle looks good on me. Straight hair or curly hair. I feel like I look totally different with straight hair. But I like my curly hair better. Let me know in the comments down below आप लोगों को क्या लगता है. But yeah, it's a good change once in a while. I feel like a whole different person. So yeah, haul start करते हैं. Also सारी शॉपिंग मैंने सोल स्टोर से करी है. ब्रांड में वापस नहीं बताने वाली हूँ because literally everything is from Soul Store. So this is the first hoodie that I have picked up. It's a white oversized hoodie. और ये मैंने पिकअप किया है बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट्स रिटन ओवर हियर, हाउ टू स्टार्ट अडल्टिंग. और एक वाइट हुडी पे ब्लैक प्रिंट काफ़ी ज़्यादा बोल्ड और एकदम झटाक लग रहा था, काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा था. और इस पे भी पीछे काफ़ी ज़्यादा लिखा हुआ है जस्ट विंग इट एंड क्लेम इट ऑन बीइंग अ वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस विच आई डू एवरी सिंगल टाइम. एम्ब्रेस द केओस काफ़ी ज़्यादा. और यहाँ पर एक छोटू सा पेंगुइन भी है. सो काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारा प्रिंट्स है इसके हाथ पे भी एक प्रिंट है, एक्सपेक्ट glitches. So it's very me, very on trend. So that's the reason I picked it up. और काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारा भी लग रहा है. I think it's gonna be so cute while traveling, airport look के लिए. और even where you are, इसके अंदर का material is a little bit of fleece material. I don't know कैमरा पिकअप कर रहा है कि नहीं, but it's definitely a nice fleece material. तो मैं जहाँ जा रही हूँ ऐसा सेट ठंड है, so layering करने में this will be like a proper fleece layer for me and I can just style a jacket overcoat on this if it gets super cold. But if not, then I can just wear this and be done with it. So yeah, this is how the hoodie looks like. Obviously it does have a cap as well and oversized है. I think मैंने पिकअप किया है इसे in size medium and it fits me perfectly. I think it looks so chic and you can style this in so many ways. मुझे तो एक काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आया and it has a pocket over here as well. So yeah, I absolutely love it. 10 on 10. I'm definitely gonna keep it. Next I picked up another hoodie which is this black and pink का ये जो contrast है मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आया. And इसके पीछे भी काफ़ी अच्छा प्रिंट है, आपको ट्राई ऑन पार्ट में दिख ही जाएगा हाउ इज़ द बैक प्रिंट एंड एवरीथिंग. मुझे मेनली जो पसंद आया दैट इज़ द ब्लैक एंड दिस बेबी पिंक कॉन्ट्रास्ट. मुझे लगा था काफ़ी ज़्यादा झटक और प्यारा लगेगा मेरे पे. बट ऑनेस्टली इन पर्सन व्हेन आई एम लुकिंग एट इट आई एम नॉट रियली लाइकिंग इट. ऐसा लग रहा है एकदम लाइक सो दिख रहा है. आई डोंट नो, लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स डाउन बिलो आप लोगों को कैसा लग रहा है. But it has really cute quirky print on it. Stay cool, happy weirdo club and a lot of this going on. And I love कि इसका जो टोपी भी है उस पे भी यहाँ पर एक पिंक लाइनिंग किया हुआ है. It also has this flower detailing and yeah, this is how the sleeve look like. यहाँ पर भी एक pink, that contrast is everywhere. Ties well together. Similarly, this also has a fleece lining inside. The quality is really good, but I'm not sure about the print. I don't think it's looking that good. Next item, let's talk about the one that I'm wearing right now. This is again one of the best picks from Soul Store. I love it. It's a woven material. तो ये पूरा woven detailing है यहाँ पर. This is also in the size medium and it fits me perfectly. Everything is a little bit oversized and that's exactly how I wanted it because layering होगा, you want to make sure it's oversized. And hoodies and ये सारे जो कपड़े हैं ऐसे लिए मैंने जो मैं मुंबई weathers में भी if I just visit on a vacation, weekend vacation to Lonavala and stuff like that, I can wear those hoodies. I can wear something like this. It's not super thick कि यार मैं यहाँ पर कहीं पहन ही नहीं पाऊंगी. So ऐसे ही मैंने shopping किया हुआ है. And yeah, this is so freaking good. I love the high neck. I think this layered with some chains will look good, or even without it, it's looking so good. I love the high neck on this. It's not like that turtleneck, but it's like a semi turtleneck. And I love the drop shoulder over here. Love the white print that's going on over here. काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Print नहीं है वैसे, पूरा woven है. But yeah, that contrast is looking so good. सबसे best part about this top is the sleeve. It has a nice puff sleeve right over here. It just adds so much more character to this just basic top. You can just style it basic, but the structure of this top is gonna like stand out because of the sleeves. It's just a nice poofy sleeve. So yeah, I love it. It's not that warm. I think wo fleece lining hai, it's more thicker, but I feel this layered like warmer के साथ ये और वो everything is gonna turn out good and I absolutely love it. This is definitely 10 on 10. If you're planning to get this, just get it. It's so good. I love it. This next jacket I picked up. I've been eyeing this jacket for quite some while now. Even before this vacation was booked, I was gonna purchase this because it's so good. This is a bomber jacket by the way and I love bomber jackets. You can just wear something plain and रात में जब थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा ठंड होती है, you can just carry this jacket and like layer on top. Like how freaking cool is this jacket? I love the color. It's a very suede brown, like a dirt brown color और थोड़ा सा olive tones भी है. Obviously you can see the olive right over here. It's a brown olive color. Very प्यारा, very different color and I think it will look good on every single thing that you're wearing. और यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है peace and love. पीछे यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है chill bro. ये sleeves पे भी यहाँ पर bla का patch डाला हुआ है. So these are all the patch detailing. Quality wise you can clearly see it has a nice inner detailing. ये fleece नहीं है but it's nice and thick, so it's gonna give me that warmth and cushioning that my body needs in the colder climate. It's a zip up bomber jacket. You can see how it's looking. I absolutely love it. 10 on 10. Even though you're not planning to go anywhere, like just get this jacket. It's so good. I love it. This is again one of the best picks. मुझे इतने सारे अच्छे pieces मिल रहे हैं but I'm so bummed that इंडिया में या फिर मुंबई में उतनी ठंड क्यों नहीं है यार. I would love to style winter pieces. इतने प्यारे लगते हैं especially layer करने के बाद. But यार यहाँ पर हम style कर ही नहीं सकते वैसे. Hopefully मुंबई में थोड़ी ज़्यादा ठंड आने लगे. I don't know. So yeah, this is 10 out of 10. Definitely grab it. Moving on to the next piece I picked up. Again, I am obsessed. It's a varsity jacket. I feel like हर कपड़े के लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ I'm obsessed, but genuinely it's looking so good in person. The print, the way it feels and sits on my body, it's like 10 out of 10. This jacket, this varsity jacket again, like जितने भी लोगों ने मुझे ये पहने हुए देखा है, जब just आया था और मुझे ये पहन के देखना था कैसा लग रहा है, everyone complimented me. Everyone loved it. So yeah. You can see it in the try-on part. It's looking so chic and so good. I love the color contrast, the combo, the white and the black and the pinks. And this is a Powerpuff hoodie. यहाँ पर आपको तीनों दिख जाएंगे, bubbles and all of that. I don't remember the name, जबकि मैं देखती थी Powerpuff Girls. So I like it. I like the sleeves as well. It's so good. It just looks so chic and grungy and everything that I like. And इसके अंदर का भी material is a fleece material, so it is gonna keep me nice and warm. And yeah, it's a beautiful jacket. I'm definitely gonna wear this, style it. I'm so excited to actually wear this. And again, ये कुछ ऐसा है जो if I'm wearing anything I want to layer a jacket, I can just carry this jacket as well. So yeah, I love it. 10 out of 10. Definitely grab it if you like it. Next top that I've picked up was again something that was on my wish list for quite some while now, because this heart detailing right over here, this patch detailing is quite popular on Pinterest and it has been pinned on my bored for quite some while और जैसे मुझे दिख गया I had added it in my wish list और मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से ये चाहिए भी था. I love how it looks और ये जो beige detailing है यहाँ पर, it has a tie detailing right over here on both the sides. It is a sweater material, आप बोल सकते हो. I don't know how to describe this. It's kind of like a woven material only. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Again, it will be like a great layering piece for me. Full sleeves hai, and everything that I've picked up is in medium size, by the way. So मैं बार-बार नहीं बता रही हूँ because everything I've picked up is in medium size and everything is fitting me perfectly. Now imagine this with ये beige color का pleated skirt. It's gonna look so good. मैं कब से वो ढूंढ रही हूँ but मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है the one that I really like, pleated skirt. तो अगर आप लोगों के पास कोई लिंक्स होगा then please help me out in the comment section. I want to buy it. So yeah, this is how the top looks like. बाकी कुछ है नहीं, it's a plain black top and this also has like a mock neck, like not a turtle neck but a mock turtle neck आप बोल सकते हो. Yeah, and this is how it looks. Very nice, cozy, warm, not super thick कि मैं इंडियन वेदर में भी पहन सकती हूँ, which is great. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Definitely grab it if you like it. Okay, this is the last item in today's haul and it's a oversized t-shirt, but I love the way it fits and feels on my body. As I said, it's a oversized top. तो ये drop shoulder है and it almost hits, the sleeve almost hits over here. Looks so good. I love it. And this is also in size medium. So ये oversize है तो medium भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा oversize लगता है and that's exactly the kind of feel I was going for. And this is how it looks like. इसमें pudding लिखा हुआ है. You know Harley Quinn उसके quotes है इस पे. And I love the contrast of this black and this is not white. This is almost like a creamish color. तो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है ये. And I love the same detailing that's going on over here. And पीछे भी 92 XOXO Harley and ये जो piping detailing हो रखा है, everything is looking so good. Again, this style with some skirt and leggings and some boots, so good, so good. I actually picked it up as a travel outfit. I think you know, traveling में भी ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. This with some skirt and I can just carry a jacket to throw while I reach there. और Soul Store के मुझे oversized t-shirts काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है and I keep wearing them all the time. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products की link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. I've also put my storefront link जहाँ पर आपको सारे products एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Guess करो मैं कहाँ जाने वाली हूँ vacation पे and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Anywhere you go, you belong.